Walton, and I'm at the MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. And today I'm on a 2019 Sea Ray 270. This one has the Simrad chart plotter GPS, flip up bolster seat. You can move this forward and back. Plenty of seating. This one also has the new naturally aspirated Mercury 300 4-stroke painted. Has a sea deck. The sport tower that folds down. Ahead, plenty of seating up front with a windlass anchor. If you'd like to know more about the boat, just give me a call at 850-974-6032. That's 850-974-6032.